Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your OS and saving work. This prevents data loss. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, then find Explorer. EXE, this process controls the desktop and toolbar. Once found, right-click and choose End Task to stop it. Make sure you do not reboot yet. Now use File Run New Task, type Explorer, EXE, and hit Enter to restart the shell. This immediate restart often restores toolbar behavior without deeper changes, and it tells you if the issue was a hung Explorer process. Once Explorer Restart didn't fully fix the toolbar, run System File Checker. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scanno to repair corrupted files. If problems persist, use dism with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the image. This complements SFC. Next, inspect third-party shell extensions. Use a tool like Shell Xview and disable suspicious or recently added entries. Then restart Explorer again. These steps address corrupted components and conflicts that commonly To finish, reset taskbar settings. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar Options and toggle key features off and back on. This forces a fresh configuration. Make sure to create a new local user account to test whether the toolbar issue is account-specific. If the new account works, migrate data and retire the corrupted profile. If nothing helps, use System Restore to revert to a known good point. This safely undoes recent changes that broke the toolbar. If you still have trouble, note the exact symptoms before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.